Hi, so this is STEM Math Question Entrance Exam Part 2 and it is all about exponent rule. Ano ba yung rule ng exponent? Paano pag nakakita tayo na nagmumultiply ng variables or nagde-divide or merong exponent, ano yung ating gagawin? So, let's all math like a boss. So, yung sasagutan natin is simplify 2xy squared raised to 3 sa labas over x squared y, then naka-enclose by a parenthesis raised to 2. So, paano natin siya isosolve? Ayan. Bago mo i-apply yung rule ng pagde-divide, kailangan mo munang isolve yung na dito sa loob. Kasi since naka-raise siya sa 3, tapos yung baba naman naka-raise sa 2, isi-simplify natin or evaluate natin. Yung exponent sa labas, i-distribute lang natin sa mga exponent ng nasa loob. Opo, kasama si 2 sa may mga exponent, may 1 yan automatic. At dito. So, mangyayari dyan, magiging 2 raised to 3, x raised to 3, since may 1 doon, times 3 lang naman, and y raised to 6, kasi 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Over, yung baba naman, i-distribute din naman natin yung 2, so magiging x raised to 4, kasi 2 times 2 is equal to 4, tapos may 1 tong y, so magiging y squared. Next step natin is i-evaluate natin yung number. Paano ba natin i-evaluate? Ang 2 raised to 3 ay 2 times 2 times 2, and the answer is 8, and then copy natin x cubed, then y raised to 6 all over x raised to 4 over y squared. Next step natin dito is magsusubtract tayo ng exponent ng variable na magkaparehas. Ayan. So kung mapapansin nyo yung x cubed sa taas at x raised to 4 sa baba, mas mataas diba yung exponent sa baba? So ang rule lang dyan, tandaan nyo, kung sino yung mas mataas na exponent, doon mo ilalagay yung variable ng final answer. So yung 8, hindi na natin masisimplify, 8 na lang siya. Yung y, tignan mo, yung y, diba yung susubtract natin? So magiging 6 minus 2, 4 na lang. So y raised to 4. Tapos, yung x naman, sa baba natin ilalagay kasi mas mataas yung exponent na 4. Tapos, subtract lang natin. 4 minus 3, that's 1. So, ito na yung final answer. 8y raised to 4 over x. And the answer is letter B. So, that's how you do the exponent rule. So, that's it. So, support my channel. Punta nyo lang yung profile ko. Click nyo yung link para mapunta kayo sa YouTube ko kung gusto nyo pang mas maraming question na pang STEM. So, that's it. Thank you. Do not forget to like this and share na rin. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.